Alright, me they alive at the park. Earlier, things get heated, real heated. But only one man decide for just stand still. Boss, how long now this a gone?
10 minutes now. We stop count after 5.
10 minutes? Have you been standing there for the whole time?
We're comfortable.
Yo, may I talk to you, Don't act like you don't hear me.
It would be sin if me bottle.
People them a say you're too calm for the situation. What really start the argument?
Him say me a stand too close to the park. Meanwhile, whole park wide.
Me say beer grass, beer walkway, beer space.
Exactly.
You think you're smart? Move and talk to me proper.
Me attack. Me just standing.
No lie. The fact say you no move and make it worse.
Me not responsible for how people feel.
Some man them a call this aura behavior. You know what I mean?
Me not know about aura. Me just there.
The man just stand still and the place tense up. That crazy.
Boss, you not even lean or fidget. You not feel threatened.
If me feel threatened, me woulda move.
So you are disrespect me now?
Nah, me just standing.
Last question. If him start shout louder, what you go do?
Probably turn me head. Sun bright.
Respect.
Me done talk.
And just like that, argument done.
Me never move yet.
You hear it first. Sometimes the loudest man lose to the calmest one.